Subscribe the channel Plants and Life and press the bell icon to get notification.
Friends, this is Kaustav. Welcome to our YouTube channel Plants and Life. Remember, it is your channel. So today I am talk about care of adenium after its pruning. So you can see this and you can remember this that I have air layered on this plant, and today I am going to cut this from here because I got success in the air layering. Already you got a different video on air layering on adenium. So here we go. I am cutting this from here. And I have done. So this is our plant after cutting it from its top portion. So now what to do? Look at this. This is the antifungal powder. It is Bavistin. You can get in market in different names. So I apply some on the cut portion, and this is a candle. You have to add a layer of wax on this cut surface, which will prevent our plants from bacteria, fungus and many other diseases. So I have done. So I have given a layer of wax on the cut portion of the plant. In some days many branches will come from here and the plants will become bushy like this. Look at this plant. It has 10 plus branches, and you can also keep that plant in any condition. Thank you.